this microphone stand or the mobile phone stand. I bought it from China, and I feel that the quality not bad. Yeah. Okay. So I buy another 3 again from the same seller. But compare the box is different. Okay, and I don't know that the quality is same or not. Okay, let's open up one of the box and see. Okay, look like it's same. Okay, how about this one? What? Broken. The spring. Then how to fix it back? All broken in pieces. Try whether can fix it or not. Seeing that the spring, okay, not in same line. Okay, can you see that? Okay, this one's okay. This one. Okay. Maybe I need to adjust the spring and see. Bend a little bit. Yeah, okay. Now come to here. Let's go. Spring is put here. Here, another one here, here, yeah. So okay. Not so stable. Okay. So I think why not I put some glue onto this here for these two. Put a little bit enough. Okay, okay. Now put this side some more. wait for a while, then everything should be okay. After 5 minutes. Okay, let's try it out and see. It's better than just now. So how to slide in our phone? This is the right way. We don't need to pull out and put in. We just push this side. Oh, there is. To remove this phone, hold this part, okay, push in, then slowly release. To slide in, okay, hold this part, push. Okay, you got it?